How is your office responding to the pauses in gender affirming care here in California?
Well, that is something that I'm working for at the national level, and we have, how can I say, are hoping that we can have gender affirming care for our trans kids, and that it's a sad thing for us. I'm not totally. I don't know what effect we can have nationally with what we have going on in the White House and in the Congress. It's really very sad. If you were there, outside our door, we have a trans flag. Outside of our door in the office, congressional office building, we have the trans flag, as do some of our other colleagues. But that view is not necessarily shared by people on the other side of the aisle.
Yeah, you're crazy. Now I'll be sober tomorrow, and you'll be crazy for the rest of your life.
I'm a ride in this lady, now we blowing nitro, sipping drink all day. Santa Claus sipping on drinks, yeah. Santa Claus sipping on drink, on drink, on drink. Santa Claus sipping on drink. Santa Claus sipping on drink, on drink, on drink.
Can I even get to it now? Maybe. Where is it?
Now I got it exactly where we don't need it.
Perfect.
Are we gonna be able to lift it enough to do that? Yeah, hold on. Ready? Ready? 1, 2, wait.
I'm getting stuck under it
Okay,
now.
hey, turn loose of the bike. Huh? I was gonna say turn loose of the bike. I got the bike. I want you to move this. How much I said, like this, much more to the front. There you go.
Kickstand's gonna be in the way.
Or to the back, I don't care. What? Looks dope. Okay, this is where I need to have it right here. See what's underneath? Yeah. So, do you go behind here? Yeah. Can you go behind there?
See, it's in the shop.
Yeah, I'm gonna lift it. Just get it lined up. Is what I'm saying. Yeah. I'm gonna have to, oh, that hurt my wrist.
Why don't you use the crescent wrench?
This one?
No, the crescent wrench.
Alright. Well, I'm gonna have to tighten that one.
Use the crescent wrench.
Okay, fine, but I gotta tighten it. Cause I just loosened it. Know what I'm saying? Tell me a story.
A story?
Yeah.
What kind of story?
I don't know.
About a man named Don?
Yeah, go ahead.
There once was a man named Don
Uh-huh.
who rode a chopper that was long.
Did he have a dong?
He had a dong.
Was his grip strong?
Oh, so strong.
Yeah.